Alright, what's up guys, it's Jim Bob. I haven't done a video in a while. Life's just kind of got in the way, but Specialized just delivered my new bike and I'm going to do a quick unboxing. It's not going to be a full dream build because this is one of the first times I've ever gotten a complete bike and not done a frame up build. So let's check it out. I also have the most ridiculous vlog camera right now. I'm using a C70 fully rigged out, but it's what I have on hand. So let's check this out. All right, I'm gonna drag this thing out to the sun so you guys can see it. What's your guess? What do you think this is? A complete bike. All right, this is my new Epic 8. Alright, what's up guys? So you saw that we did kind of a quick little build. There wasn't any reason to do a full build video on it because like I said, it's just an out-of-the-box bike for now. And I did just get back from my first ride. I did about 32 miles and 3,100 feet of climbing. And because I'm getting over being sick, I took it pretty easy, tried to just keep it in zone 2. But I did try all the different pedal modes and lockouts with the twist lock thing, and it took me a little bit of getting used to. I did accidentally twist it a couple times descending or just like resting my hands on the bar, but overall the pedal setting is awesome. It's as good as everyone says. I was kind of surprised by it. It's very supportive, very efficient, but it also kind of gets out of the way when you want it to. So I'm very stoked on that. This is going to be an awesome bike for those big days, you know, going out in the backcountry. And I'm going to actually race Mammoth Tuff on it. And I'm really stoked to kind of just get a little bit more training, a little bit more riding in on this thing. Hopefully I start feeling a little better and can really kind of get after it. But I'll do a ride impressions video once I get, you know, some more seat time in it. But for now, I absolutely love my Epic 8, and if you haven't ridden one, I would try to find a Specialized experience center or a local shop where you can pedal one around. I think you're going to be impressed. All right, see you on the next one.